This is your reading for today. Your cards are Strength and Temperance. Sometimes you are too forgiving and too soft, and you are too patient. Forgiveness, tolerance, patience, they're all good qualities. But it's not always that you need to be like that, right? Imagine if there was just the moon and the moon all the time, and there was the night of rest and peace, then it is not the night of rest and peace, isn't it? You need the sun, you need the blaze, the fire, the brightness, the dazzle, the glory for food to be produced, for processes to take place, for there to be light and clarity to see where you are going, for us to get heat and energy. You need the sun, right? So it doesn't always serve you well to go into the recesses of your deep knowing and say that, okay, I know, and that is enough. That is not always enough. So you see the comparison that we were talking about between the moon and the sun. The blaze and the glory and the brightness and the directness is also important. But what happens is that when these people, they come and they do the politicking and the manipulation, right, and they show the aggression, you turn your face the other way and you're like, in my inner sanctum, I know. But you go too much into that space, and it doesn't sit well with you get anxious, but you go too much into that space, and when you come out with a lot of aggression, so it's like being at the extremes, right? But you need to be showing that dazzle of the sun a bit by bit, a bit by bit every day. Now you are lost, as in you don't know how to do it. You have the quality, but you don't know how to show the dazzle bit by bit. It either expresses itself in extreme silence or in extreme aggression. This is how you do it every day. Make time for a routine in your life, a simple routine every day. Meditate, exercise, learn one new thing, read something engaging, eat healthy, have some fun every day, dress up. Uh, Nothing of this costs money. All of this is free of cost. And these require only the resources that you have, and most important, your time, energy, patience. But create this routine, follow it every day, and you will say that, how is it linked to me showing aggression in my daily life? No, this is, and you have to try it. That I can tell you, it is linked. It is linked to channeling your aggression in the right direction. So you know what happens? Somewhere down the line in your story, you have shown one patch of aggression that was required. You need one storm to clear the space, but once the space is cleared, there is no need to keep throwing bricks, right? What will you do by throwing bricks in the blank space? You need to arrange the bricks one by one and build your structure, isn't it? That's what you need to do.